Oxygen is all around us, even in the air that we breathe. Welcome, the oxygen. Is the chemical element with symbol O and atomic number 8. It helps organisms grow, reproduce and turn food into energy. Humans get they need by breathing through their nose and mouth into their lungs. Oxygen gives our cells the ability to break down food in order to get the energy we need to survive. While your brain makes up 2% of your total body's weight, it gets 20% of your body's total oxygen consumption. To just survive, the brain needs around 0.1 calories per minute. It needs 1.5 calories per minute when you are thinking hard.
Oh my god, that's why we feel hungry when we study.
Nope. To create energy, the brain needs a lot of oxygen. If you are without oxygen for just 5 minutes, your brain cells start to die, which means severe brain damage. So go and study outdoors, my friend. Oxygen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. At 46% of the mass, oxygen is the most plentiful element in Earth's crust. The proportion of oxygen by volume in the atmosphere is 21%, and by weight in seawater is 89%. In rocks, it's combined with metals and nonmetals in the form of oxides that are acidic, such as of sulfur, carbon, aluminum, and phosphorus, or basic such as of calcium, magnesium, and iron. Oxygen exists in all three forms: liquid, solid, and gas. Oxygen changes from a gas to a liquid at temperature of 182.96 degrees Celsius, then can be frozen at temperature of -218.4 degrees Celsius. Common uses of oxygen include production of steel, plastics, and textiles, brazing, welding and cutting of steels and other metals, rocket propellant, oxygen therapy, life support systems in aircraft, submarines, space flight, and diving. Welcome, the oxygen. We are Explorer.